So today, we are taking a look at the EcoFlow RAPID Pro. And honestly, this thing is pretty interesting. It comes with 300 watts of output, a built-in 140 watt cable, 3 USB-C ports, and yes, there's even an app for smart control. But wait, here's the crazy part. You can actually charge 4 devices at the same time. Sounds wild, right? So without wasting any more time, let's take a closer look at it. Right out of the box, here we have the EcoFlow power bank itself. And first thing, the display immediately catches your attention. Above the screen, we get 3 ports. First is the C2 port with 140 watt output and input both. And then we have the C3 and C4 ports with 65 watt output. Now on the bottom side, we get this detachable built-in cable. You can actually pull it out and extend it, which is super useful, especially for charging laptops. And honestly, that's a pretty smart design. Moving on, we get 3 physical buttons here. 2 of them are mainly for scrolling and brightness control, and all 3 buttons feel really clicky and well built. The overall build quality also feels premium. And let's talk about the display for a second because it actually looks really good. It's sharp, bright, and surprisingly clear. You can even see reflections on it. The hand feel is also great, although it is slightly slippery, but that glossy finish definitely makes it look more aesthetic. Now this display is not just for looks. Right here you can see the battery percentage, and currently ours is sitting at 26%. We've actually been using this power bank for about a week now, and the battery health is still showing 100%, which is expected honestly, because it's still pretty new. You can also check the temperature, battery cycles, and other useful battery information directly from the screen itself. Now, if we jump into the settings, we get options for Wi-Fi and BLE, healthy charging mode, screen timeout, and brightness controls. So if you're indoors, you can lower the brightness to save some battery, and outdoors, you can just increase it again. You can also reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even restore factory settings if you mess something up. Alright, now let's actually charge some devices with it. First, we connected our laptop, and right now it's pulling around 46 to 48 watts. Then we plugged in our phone using the 140 watt port. And the phone started charging at around 27 to 28 watts, which obviously depends on phone compatibility. But the cool part is being able to see all the charging wattage live on the display, which honestly, most power banks don't really show this clearly. Now let's connect another phone. And now this one is charging between 13 to 16 watts. So yeah, right now we are charging 3 devices at the same time without any issue. Now inside the app, things get even more interesting. We can monitor everything directly from the phone. You can see the live output where one port is taking around 42 watts for the laptop, while another device is getting around 15 to 16 watts. And honestly, being able to monitor every single port live through the app is super satisfying. Also, there's a pogo pin support here as well. Now let's test the C4 port. We connected another phone, and yep, it's charging completely fine. At the same time, the laptop is still taking the maximum power possible. Now, let's see how fast this power bank itself can recharge. After plugging it in, it initially charged at around 72 watts, with the display showing an estimated 1 hour and 18 minutes for a full recharge. But the input power gradually increased up to about 99.4 watts when using a 100 watt charger adapter. According to EcoFlow's claim, if you use its dedicated charging dock, it can support much higher input speeds of up to around 320 watts, significantly reducing the full charging time. inside the app, we also get battery health settings. Here, you can actually limit how much the power bank charges. Since charging to 100% all the time can affect battery longevity, setting it around 80% is usually the healthiest option. Even 95% is fine, honestly. Personally, I'd suggest keeping it somewhere in between. You can also adjust screen timeout settings directly from the app depending on your usage. And this part is actually pretty fun. You can customize the screen art. You can either draw your own design or generate one using the image generator. We switched ours and it honestly looked pretty cool. Then we tried generating a sci-fi style image, and yeah, that looked really nice too. You can also customize brightness and even add a clock through the app. And of course, if you're planning to travel or go outdoors, you can pack it inside the pouch for extra protection. Oh, and before ending, we almost forgot to show the custom animation feature. So here it is. Honestly, it looks pretty awesome, even though my drawing skills are terrible. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the EcoFlow RAPID Pro 27K. Hopefully this review and little walkthrough helped you understand how it works and whether it's worth picking up or not. Now, we definitely want to hear your thoughts as well, so let us know down in the comments. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.